Hello everyone. Question is a data engineer is using AWS Glue ETL jobs to process data at frequent intervals. The processed data is then copied into Amazon S3. The ETL jobs run every 15 minutes. The AWS Glue data catalog partitions need to be updated automatically after the completion of each job. Which solution will meet these requirements most cost effectively? Option A. Use the AWS Glue data catalog to manage the data catalog. Define an AWS Glue workflow for the ETL process. Define a trigger within the workflow that can start the crawler when an ETL job run is complete. Option B. Use the AWS Glue data catalog to manage the data catalog. Use AWS Glue Studio to manage ETL jobs. Use the AWS Glue Studio feature that supports updates to the AWS Glue data catalog during job runs. Option C. Use an Apache Hive metastore to manage the data catalog. Update the AWS Glue ETL code to include the enable update catalog and partition keys arguments. Option D. Use the AWS Glue data catalog to manage the data catalog. Update the AWS Glue ETL code to include the enable update catalog and partition key arguments. Correct answer is option A. Question is a reseller that has thousands of AWS accounts receives AWS cost and uses reports in an Amazon S3 bucket. The reports are delivered to the S3 bucket in the following format. An AWS Glue crawler crawls the S3 bucket and populates an AWS Glue data catalog with a table. Business analysts use Amazon Athena to query the table and create monthly summary reports for the AWS accounts. The business analysts are experiencing slow queries because of the accumulation of reports from the last 5 years. The business analyst wants the operations team to make changes to the improve query performance. Which actions should the operations team take to meet these requirements? Option A. Change the file format to .csv.zip. Option B. Partition the data by date and account ID. Option C. Partition the data by month and account ID. Option D. Partition the data by account ID, year and month. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a company using Amazon QuickSight Enterprise Edition has thousands of dashboards, analysis, and data sets. The company struggles to manage and assign permissions for granting users access to various items within QuickSight. The company wants to make it easier to implement sharing and permissions management. Which solution should the company implement to simplify permissions management? Option A. Use QuickSight folders to organize dashboards, analysis, and data sets. Assign individual users permissions to these folders. Option B. Use QuickSight folders to organize dashboards, analysis, and data sets. Assign group permissions by using these folders. Option C. Use AWS IAM resource-based policies to assign group permissions to QuickSight items. Option D. Use QuickSight user management APIs to provision group permissions based on dashboard naming conventions. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.